Okay, my healthy people, if you want to learn how to make these delicious flatbread or nah, then what? Keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. In today's video, we're going to be making what?
Flatbread.
Yeah. With this flatbread, I'm using all-purpose flour, and it's unbleached flour. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups. So this is 1.
I'm going to be adding half a cup of flour.
Now add it. Very good.
I'm going to be adding a half teaspoon of salt.
Go ahead, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. That's it, dry yeast. To that, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil. 1, 2, and I'm using grapeseed oil. I will be mixing this around with a wooden spoon. I love making flatbreads for my kids. If you love flatbread, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. And I'm just going to make a little mountain in the middle and then add 1/2 cups of water. And it's time to get my hands dirty. So I'm just going to get in there with my hands. When you're making flatbread, you cannot be afraid to get your hands in there and just get everything, mix everything together and make it into a ball. So I'm just going to add a little bit more water, not much. I'm just going to add this to the bottom like that. So I think I'm pretty good. So what I'm going to do right now is just get some flour. This is not a difficult recipe to make. It's simple. This is the most work that you're actually going to be doing as far as this recipe is concerned. Okay, my healthy people, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it. I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes, then I'll be back, okay? Okay, my healthy people, so it's been 15 minutes, so let's see what it looks like. All right, pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. 1/2, then 1/2 like that, and 1/2 like that. So as you may see, I have 4 pieces. I'm going to show you how I'm going to roll out the first one and then we'll take it from there. So I'm just going to put these over to the side. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to, you can either roll it into a ball or you can just roll it over like this and make it small like that. Just like this. Or you can roll it into a ball, whichever one you want to do. Alright, either way, it's gonna be just like that. See? All right, so once you have it like this, now we're gonna go ahead and roll it out. So this is what it looks like. If you love flatbread, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. The kids love these as well. Okay, my healthy people, so we have 4 flatbread. And as you may see, it's not perfect. The kids helped me today. And this is what this one looks like. And then, so you don't have to get it perfect. You could get the kids involved. I have my pan heating up right now. And this was the original one I did. And my helper, Ava. Yes, you did a great job, okay?
Okay.
All right, look at that. Look at that beautifulness she did. To ensure that it's hot enough, I'm just going to add some water to it. See that?
Put some water on.
There you go. So it's hot enough. You want to put the first flatbread in? Yeah, put it. But be careful. Ava's going to put the first flatbread in. Okay, put it in the middle. And we're going to have this cook for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, my healthy people, so it's been a minute. You need no oil for this recipe, and it's pretty hot, but don't mind me. See, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn it around for another minute. So 1 minute on each side. As you may see, it starts to puff a little bit. This is like nah. So flatbread or nah. Okay, so it's been a minute. All right, Ava. All right, so there you go. That's what it looks like. So go ahead, feel it. It's kind of hot, but okay, well, I'm used to touching it. All right, let it go. So this is what it looks like, our flatbread. All right, my healthy people, so this is our first flatbread. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for each one of them. All right, my healthy people, let's look at our flatbread. Oh yes, look at that. Here they are, absolutely delicious flatbread naan. Call them what you want. It's only 5 ingredients. They are delicious, yummy. The kids will love them, the family will love them, everyone will love them. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free and delicious. And say it with me, stay